So when you use private browsing on iOS 16, the details of your browsing history aren't saved and the websites you visit aren't shared with other devices. And Safari is also not going to remember the pages you visit, your search history, and your autofill information. Now, setting up private browsing on Safari is fairly easy to do. Once I go through the steps on your Safari browser, I'm also going to give a second recommendation as well. But in order to get this going, you just want to open up Safari and then tap the tabs button at the bottom. Now, you're going to see a little arrow pointing down on the tabs group list. At this point, what you want to do is tap private and then tap done. Now you're going to be placed in the private browsing on Safari. And like I said, I'm going to give a second recommendation as well, and it's to use a privacy browser called Brave. Now, I've been using Brave for the last few years, and what it does is block ads automatically while browsing, and it even pays you for your attention in a cryptocurrency called the Basic Attention Token. What's cool about Brave is that it's free to use, and you can set up private browsing on it right away. It's also been reported being 3 times as fast as Google Chrome, and it also runs on Chromium. Anyways, those are just a couple of different ways you guys can browse privately on iOS 16. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.